I love Aussie food. So I love 4 and 20 pies, I love Vegemite, I love French onion Cob Loaf dip. It excites me because it is different to what I would normally be eating. Greeks love to have lamb on the spit for Christmas, lamb on the spit for Easter, and I'm always looking for something different, and that's why the Cob Loaf sort of seems to always resonate with everyone. It's very different. I find that I tend to gravitate towards something different, something unique, and something Aussie. So we're going to start with the ingredients that we have here. So we've got the aioli, spinach, we've got some sour cream, we've got the yoghurt, we've got chopped up water chestnuts, and then I add the entire packet of French onion soup. And then I just mix it all up, nicely combine it well, make sure all the spinach is distributed evenly because it can clump together. So I grew up on the Mornington Peninsula. Mum and Dad had a fish and chip shop there. I grew up with my sister in the back of the shop, where we've got 4 years between us. I have a very supportive family. I have 2 nieces, I have a daughter myself, and my nieces have partners as well. My daughter has a partner. So when we get together for Christmas, there's generally a lot of excitement at the table. Everyone telling stories about, you know, life, I suppose. So here are the veggies. I've got some celery, I've got some beautiful radishes, I've got some carrot, I've got some whitloaf. I like to serve it like this because it's nice and fresh and the dip is nice and fresh. But you can add some crackers or some corn chips. Really, it's a versatile dip. You can do whatever you want with it. Here's one I prepared earlier. Give it a little taste. See how it's ended up, nice and soft. So you want that nice soft texture. Perfect. Flavours are Aussie barbecue 1992 for me. I just remember bothering my girlfriend at the time for the recipe, and we didn't have Google then. So you had to hang out for someone to actually, you know, make the effort. You'd have to go over to their house. You couldn't even, you know, call them. Oh, you know, I've got it written down somewhere, yada, yada, yada. And, you know, it took forever. She remembered a few of the ingredients. And then I remember going over and saying, listen, I want that recipe. And when I saw the recipe, I thought, it's actually not that hard. That's what I love about this dish. And here you have it. There's my French onion Cob Loaf dip. Perfect for summer, perfect for Christmas. Merry Christmas.